In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Codex. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Codex, then go to the left menu and select over here where it says plugins. Afterwards, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you should see a GitHub plugin. So here it is. And you just want to press on this install button right over here. And this plugin is going to allow you to connect Codex over onto GitHub. So the way it works is that you need to go ahead and confirm it. So go ahead and select on continue to GitHub, and that is going to prompt you to sign into your GitHub account. So be prepared to enter in your GitHub credentials. All right, so just go ahead and continue right over here, and then you want to go ahead and give it control, and you want to press on turn on. And you will need to make sure that you have second factor authentication in order for this to work. So you could do this either through an authenticator app, or you could text a code to the phone number that is connected to your ChatGPT account. But the point is, you need to make sure that you have two-factor authentication on ChatGPT if you want to connect Codex to GitHub. But then afterwards, you should be good to go, and it is going to allow you to connect the two. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.